5. And it's July 22nd, 2023, or 2026, sorry. July 22nd, 2026, and we're looking at the birthday girl here. Sharon is 25 years young today. And
we are going to Westlock for the Elvis convention.
Yeah, Westlock for the Elvis convention. And Sharon's wearing her baby doll dress that Jackie bought Sharon.
Jackie bought.
Yeah, so Jackie chose the dress for Sharon today. A very beautiful color there, and
the beautiful chocolate cake.
Yeah.
From Jackie and Robert.
You'll have to give everything a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
That's good.
Thumbs up.
And we're here with Shelley and Laura.
Laura and Shelley, my daughter. I got my purse there. And Jackie.
Hi.
Yeah, that's good. And then there's Sharon's backyard, the waterfall here. Sharon's got a beautiful waterfall in the yard. And Sharon's birthday today. And that's another look at the waterfall here in the garden down here. And the birds.
We just moved into our new home, our new condo.
You always dress like a movie star.
Yeah, and this is, you're in your new condo here, Sharon. It's a beautiful condo that you have.
Yes, and we love it, and our neighbors are perfect.
Yeah, and he just moved in, it was last week, or the week before.
Yes.
I can't believe it, how fast the time goes.
I know.
Sharon, back to your Shirley Temple days.
Yeah, Shirley Temple, yeah.
When she was a girl.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
And
It's almost sent to Hollywood.
yeah, Sharon just cut her cake earlier, and Dean is cutting the cake inside. He's going to bring it out in a little bit there.
Yeah, beautiful chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And that's another look at Sharon's backyard. Some nice, beautiful trees up there too. It's like a forest in the yard.
Yes.
And then
It's done up very well.
and then I have there's the planter there, Sharon. I have that in the video here too.
Yes, planted, yes. Yes.
So what's your goals for your birthday here, Sharon?
To have a good time at the Elvis convention.
Yeah, Sharon's going up to see Elvis tomorrow, Alessandro Voda.
Yes, and all the other Elvises that are coming in, about 25 of them.
And where's that at again, Sharon?
That's Westlock.
Westlock, Alberta.
It's east of Edmonton.
Yeah, it's tomorrow night when Alessandro's going to be here.
Yes.
So if anyone is heading up that way, you might want to catch Alessandro Elvis Voda.
Exactly.
Yeah, tomorrow night he's going to...
Westlock.
Westlock, Alberta. Yeah, Westlock. Way up in northern Alberta. And how long are you up there for, Sharon?
4 days.
It's on for 4 days?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess it's an Elvis convention that's going on up there.
25 people. Elvis is coming for.
Yeah, 25 Elvis is coming. That's from all over Canada there. And
So it'll be a perfect special event.
that'll be a nice birthday for you, Sharon, going up there.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah,
And then I'm going to the Busby Hotel because my mother was born in Busby. And I'm going across the street to see where she lived, and her home is still there.
Busby, how old did your mom live to be, Sharon?
88.
88.
She turned 88 when she passed.
Yeah. And how long ago was that she passed?
11 years.
11 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, she lived to be a good age.
Oh yeah. She lived with us, with all the kids. She partied with us and lived a good age.
Yeah.
And she never resented it at all.
Yeah, no, that's a good age. What about your dad, Sharon? How old did he live to
Well,
be?
he passed away at 59 with brain tumor.
Brain tumor?
So then my mother came in and lived with myself and then my children.
Yeah.
And she was ever so happy
Yeah.
to be there.
That's remarkable, too. And for anyone just tuning in and watching the video here, we're at Sharon's birthday party. It's Sharon's birthday today, 25 years old. And Sharon's got another few years ahead of her yet.
And my brother, Jim,
Yeah.
and his wife, Sherry,
Yeah.
they live in 100 Mile. And they will be celebrating. It is not my birthday till actually the 26th, which is Saturday.
Okay.
But we're celebrating tonight early.
Well, today's just as good, though.
Oh, it's always just as good.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
And once again, Sharon's wearing her baby doll dress from Jackie.
From Jackie.
Yeah.
She always gets me the best.
Thanks.
And we're in Sharon's backyard here, and Sharon's in the southwest part of Calgary. And yeah, once again, here's the waterfall in Sharon's backyard.
Yeah.
And how long have you had that for, Sharon? The waterfall down there?
Oh, 5 years.
Yeah,
We
5
had
years.
it on our other home.
Yeah. Yeah, it's it's beautiful. I like that. And it says
I feel really cool.
it says the mama on there.
Yes. Exactly.
And Sharon's daughter Shelley, she's down here from Sylvan Lake. And Dean, Sharon's son, he's here too. Dean's here. I'll just turn around and show Dean for a sec.
Yeah, Dean is help with this.
There you go, Dean. There's Shelley and Laura. Hey, Jackie. Want me to get you in, Sharon? Okay. That's Shelley and Laura.
Don't forget Bruiser.
And Bruiser too.
There goes Bruiser. There goes Bruiser. Little Cruiser.
I'm gonna show her that picture you found.
Oh yeah, it's on the wall.
Yeah, she didn't.
No, I didn't know. I haven't seen it. No years I've known you, I haven't seen it.
And those are some of Sharon's flowers here. And that's a look at Sharon's backyard, and on her birthday today. It's July the 22nd, 2026.